Today we are unboxing the 2023 Weekly WireO Planner by Tinychange. So the planner comes in a beautiful box. There's a message on the back side, and the design of the box is similar to the design of the planner inside. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So here is the planner, the 2023 Weekly WireO Planner by Tinychange. So let me quickly take you through the inside of the planner. So it starts with a coloring page. Then you can see the Tinychange 2023 Weekly Planner. There's some tips for planning here. My goals for 2023, the habits to build, the vision board, the 2023 calendar, the ideal week design and the timetables that you want to create, the ideal day design, mood tracker, exercise tracker, the details of how you can efficiently plan your month, and the explanation of how you can do the weekly page as well. It starts with a quick message, and then you start by planning the month for January, and then the calendar for the month, the habit tracker for the month, the to-do list for the month, and then you have an expense tracker and a meal tracker. So these things repeat every month. For every month you will have a month starting plan, calendar, habit tracker, task to close, the expense tracker and meal tracker for every single month. And then it goes into the daily and the weekly pages. So this is a weekly planning spread where you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday here, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday on this side. You have some other details too. So this continues for the first month, and then you have the review for that month, and then again the next month starts. For February 2 you have master plan, events, habit tracker, the to-do list for the month, the expense tracker and the meal tracker. So this repeats for all the 12 months, September, October, November, December, and then it gets into my lists. It has your favorite moments that you can note down, key lessons I've learned, inspiring quotes, things I want to buy this year, and some notes pages and some dot grid pages at the end as well. And then you have cool looking stickers. You have some small poster stickers, small icon stickers, text stickers with gold foiling. You can see it has gold foiling on it, and then another set of stickers also with gold foiling. These are messages and icons which you can use to make your planning process more fun, right? And then you have a pouch where you can keep something on the back side. It has a two-way pouch. You can keep things here, and then that's the end. So this is a review of the 2023 Weekly WireO Planner by Tinychange. Thank you.